Okay, students, let's look at installment, but we're going to look at something called constant ratio method. How does this apply? Let me give you an example. The formula is there. So before I come to the formula, let me look at the question. Now, Sean bought 8,000 via installment plan. He paid a 2,000 down payment, and he plans to pay 10 monthly payments for 650. So first step, I find out what is my loan amount. 8,000 minus of 2,000. So this is my loan amount. 6,000 is the loan amount. Second, I find out my installment. I'm paying 650 for 10 months. So this is going to be 6,500. So when I take 6,500 minus of 6,000, I will get what I call how much interest I have paid. So this is how I got the interest paid. Now comes the next. What is the installment price? So I take 8,000, which is the cash price, plus with the interest paid. This is my installment price, because installment price is always cash price plus with interest. Now, how much did interest I paid? I've already done the calculation, so you can see that it's already 500. Now comes, how do I get the flat rate, which is called the simple rate? Now, simple interest formula. Interest was 500. Loan amount was 6,000. I want to find R, and the installment was for 10 months. So 10 over 12. So how do I get this answer? Same, calculator comes to the picture. So 6,000 times 10 over 12. 6,000 times 10 over 12 value. Then I take 500 divided by the answer. I want it in rate percentage. Take the answer times 100. So that is how I got the 10%. This is on simple interest rate. But what if I want to find out the rate as per APR, actual annual rate? So the formula that is going to function is this. Okay, 2 times M. M is referring, if I'm paying on a monthly, the M should be 12. If the payment of installment is weekly, ours is monthly. So that's the reason why M is 12. If it is weekly, then we use 52. But never installment in weekly, always monthly. So it's times by 12, times by 500, which is called the interest I. We calculated the interest just now, divided by B, which is called the loan amount. The loan amount was 6,000, and N plus 1. What is N? The total number of installment, 10 plus 1. So then again, our hero by the name of C, calculator, comes to the picture. So we are going to do 2 times 12 times 500. Move the cursor down. 6,000. 10 plus 1. Close the bracket. I have the answer. Then I take the answer times with 100, because I want it in percentage. You saw, sir, I got the calculator shows 18.18 something. So I insisted I don't want decimal. So I round off to the whole number, 18%. I round off to a whole number. So when I round off to a whole number, it becomes 18%. So that's how constant ratio works, students.